How to link Venmo to PayPal transfers. Hi, this guide will walk you through the process of transferring funds between Venmo and PayPal using a shared bank account. Venmo and PayPal are both owned by PayPal Holdings, but they don't currently allow direct transfers between each other. To move money between them, you'll need to use a shared bank account as a bridge. First, make sure that the same bank account is linked to both your Venmo and PayPal accounts. You can do this in each app's settings under Payment Methods or Bank Accounts. Next, open the Venmo app and transfer the desired amount of money to the linked bank account. You can find this option under Transfer to Bank or Cash Out. Venmo bank transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfers are also available for a small fee. Once the money is in your bank account, open the PayPal app and go to Add Money option. Choose your linked bank account and enter the amount you want to transfer. Now, your money is in PayPal. You can use it for purchases, send it to others, or transfer it elsewhere depending on your needs.